Hello students, today our topic is types of groups। तो जब हम बात कर रहे हैं कैटेगराइजेशन की, तो दो तरह के ग्रुप्स हो जाएंगे, प्राइमरी ग्रुप वर्सेस सेकेंडरी ग्रुप। तो प्राइमरी ग्रुप कौन से होते हैं? आर द ग्रुप्स कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ अ फ्यू पर्सन्स who share a sense of common identity, common values, and common goals. These also include mutuality, proximity, similarities, support, and the feeling of sympathy. The members of these groups have deep relations. Members also have the feelings of support and communication, common thoughts, and humor. These groups are small in size. Examples of such groups are family and peer group. Then secondary group. Secondary group कौन से हैं? Is comparatively a larger group. ठीक है, प्राइमरी से लार्जर होते हैं, consisting of several primary groups. Its members have weak interpersonal relations. They can't establish a tangible relationship and are less cohesive than primary groups. These members have no feeling of support, friendship and mutuality. यहाँ हम कह रहे हैं कि इनफॉर्मल के बजाय फॉर्मल रिलेशंस हो जाते हैं. These groups are of unapparent and unstable nature. The members of an organization are an example of secondary group. ठीक है, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होते हैं ना, जैसे लार्ज लेवल के हो गए, लार्ज स्केल के हो गए, बड़े, ठीक है, जिसमें ज़्यादा मेंबर्स हो जाते हैं. अभी हम बात कर रहे हैं इन ग्रुप एंड आउट ग्रुप्स की. तो इन ग्रुप्स कौन से होते हैं? इन ग्रुप्स आर द सोशल ग्रुप्स टू विच एन इंडिविजुअल फील्स as though he or she belongs as a member. People tend to hold positive attitudes towards members of their own group, a phenomenon known as in group bias. In group, members include family as well as people of same race, culture, gender, religion. In groups are those with whom the leader is most comfortable. Then out groups कौन से हो गए? Social groups to which an individual feels contempt, opposition, or a desire to compete. We can say it is a social unit or a group of people that an individual neither belongs to nor identifies with. ठीक है, unknown हम कह सकते हैं. Out group members seem to live on the periphery of the leader's world. If we define in group as we group, then an out group is simply they group. ठीक है, यानी कि कुछ भी इनफॉर्मल नहीं होता. ठीक है, प्योरली हम कह सकते हैं कि कोऑपरेशन की जब अगर बात करी जाए तो यहाँ पर लैक ऑफ कोऑपरेशन भी दिखेगा, क्योंकि वी की बजाय हम कह रहे हैं दे ग्रुप बोला जा सकता है इससे. Then out group includes everybody who is excluded when we use the word we. ठीक है, like example, Priya, my colleague, who is 20-year-old, and Satish, her cousin, is 12 years old. ओके, तो ये दोनों जो हो गए, ये हो गए इन ग्रुप के. ठीक है ना, क्योंकि रिलेटिव्स हैं, नॉन भी हैं. अब क्योंकि मैं प्रिया को जानती हूँ, ठीक है, उसके किसी नॉन को नहीं जानती, तो दैट इज़ आउट ग्रुप. क्लियर? देन नेक्स्ट इज क्लोज ग्रुप वर्सेस ओपन ग्रुप. तो क्लोज ग्रुप कौन से होते हैं? इन विच देयर इज़ अ रिस्ट्रिक्शन और एंट्री ऑफ न्यू मेंबर्स These groups are of confidential nature and are more eminent in comparison to open groups. A closed group maintains a relatively stable membership with few additions and losses in members over time. Po- Power and status relationships are usually well established and fixed. ओके, ये हो गए क्लोज ग्रुप्स. ओपन ग्रुप की बात करते हैं. The groups in which there is no restriction on joining of new members and which are open for every member are to be known as open groups. We can say an open group often changes its membership with people constantly moving in and out of the group. There is no special objective of their formation. The open group differ from closed groups in four aspects. First one is changing membership. In open groups, members keep changing. New members join and exit.